pre-bronze level Samba. So what to start with? We have a natural basic. Okay, start with the left leg forward. You go forward. 1, landing on soft knee, and then do a little bit replace without heel down. 2. Then go back with the right leg. 3. Now do not put the heel of the next step down. Just ball of the foot. 4. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, this movement is designed to learn and introduce your body to the bounce and introduce your body to this stomach, belly button, winking movement. So try to do this motion, and as you step forward, 1, absorb that landing through your tummy, 2, and come back to that tummy movement with the natural basic, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and pay attention as you land here. 1, so use the tummy to collect that leg. 2, and especially on the back. 1. You see, there is that 1. There is this absorbing through the tummy rather than sticking your bum back. 1, 2. The next tip here is on that release of that hip. So it's like a little bit circle, playful circle without opening the legs, and using a ball of the foot pressure to the floor to create that little bit circle. 2, 3, 4. And always remember, the gravity is the key. Always come back to that down, to that compressed knee position with the tummy contracting slightly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And timing, as always in Samba, you go 1, then you have 2, 3, 4. Now to take it to the next level, as you compress your knee tummy, you can go through the reverse ripple to the step and produce a little bit chest and a little bit delayed hip on the back for the advanced level. 1, 2, and the same on the way out. 3, so here you don't have any delayed hip. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in Samba, it's very important, the footwork, that our feet are always working, receiving the weight, absorbing the weight. So we're gonna go through this position, into the heel, into the bent knee. The same backward, ball of the foot first, heel into the bent knee. Ball of the foot, heel into bent knee. Ball of the foot, heel into bent knee. Absorbing the tummy. So let's do last time. Reverse basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. And similar for, this was natural basic for reverse basic, just from different leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So try it together now in couple. Five, 6, and reverse exactly the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep the frame. Now next one, side basic. So exactly the same idea. So we compress our knee using the pressure. You can produce a little bit reverse ripple effect. 1, 2, 3, 4. And timing, this is a 1, this is this is a 2, this is a 3, 4, compressing. Now the key for this movement is to turn out this leg. 1, turn out the leg. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So on the side, always turn out your leg. Okay, so we have our natural and reverse basic, and we have our side basic. If we combine two, we get progressive basic. We can go 1, 2, and then side 3, 4. Forward, and then side, the same backward. Got it? So let's do 3 steps. Natural basic, reverse basic, side basic, and progressive is actually 4. So let's go natural basic first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now reverse basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now side basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And progressive basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So progressive basic for the ladies it will be back, together, side, together, back, together, side, together, back, together, side, together, back. So let's do progressive basic on that. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so development of side basic is a whisk. So normally we have a side basic, side, we collect feet together, doing a little bit hip circle. So instead of going together, we're gonna cross our foot back on the ball of the foot, no heel down, no heel down. We have the same circular hip motion in this Latin cross position and always come back to that tummy here. 1, a little bit hip circle, 2. This whisk, this we use in our choreographies a lot. 1, and this is the key, this moment. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And of course, if you want to take it to the next level, you can do reverse ripple, 2, 1, 2, 1. Yes. So try whisk. Try whisk. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. 5, 6. Excellent. 7, 8. So the next one is a progressive Samba walks. Progressive Samba walks. So we're going to be in promenade. Sometimes we call them promenade Samba walks. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's very much using your tummy, bouncing and progressing as we do Samba walks. So let's do progressive Samba walks. Okay, so progressive Samba walks or promenade Samba walks, the same. We can do side Samba walks. Side Samba walks. So it start with the side. We have a side, and move this leg forward. 1, 2, 3, side 4. 1, 2. So in a way, it's one normal promenade Samba walk, one side Samba walk. This is a side Samba walk. Try that. And 1, 2, 3, side 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. Next one is a stationary Samba walk. Stationary Samba walk. Yeah, so stationary Samba walk, it's basically you collect your feet, send your leg back. Collect your feet. And remember, focusing on the tummy, contracting, knee squeezing, send your leg back with the delayed high hip, high chest. 1, but this movement is the key in Samba. 1, when you collect. 2, you collect to the gravity, then develop. 3, 1, together, back. Together, back. And we can do it together, holding hands with our partners. Try with me if you want. Go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and have a sense of sending your leg through the knee as far as you can. Stationary Samba walk in Samba. Let's try it. And go together. And 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a stationary Samba walk. Now next one, we have rhythm bounce. Rhythm bounce. Rhythm bounce. So we stay like this in shadow position. And basically we use the knee, stay like this on my leg, yeah. You use the knee to produce that hip circle with a little bit tummy squeezing compression, so more circle. Give me a hand, yeah, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exactly the same on the other side we can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or we can do in this position. Rhythm bounce. 1. Yeah, so you're going this way. So now you'll do it here. I will do other side. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And make sure for the rhythm bounce, it's not only side, it has a little bit circle. Not as much as a rumba, but still more circular. So try rhythm bounce and shadow position. Let's try that. Yeah. Excellent. Very good. More circle. Yes. Very good. Okay. Next one is the volta movement. So volta is Latin cross, is flat. 1 foot on ball of the foot all the time, back foot, Latin cross. 1 foot, ball, heel, footwork with the hip circle with a lot of timing. If you don't have time to do hip circle, at least get this timing right. And we go and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, other leg, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And remember, absolutely no bounce, flat, and very low, very much about the hip action. Stay on the same level. Volta. Volta left, volta right. Try that. Yeah. Okay, next one. Traveling batofogos. So in close position like this. So ladies will go back, Latin cross position. Guys will go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Traveling batofogos. Traveling batofogos. Bronze level samba. Basic movements. And 1, 2, excellent. 3, 4, excellent. 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. And the last but not the least, crisscross batofogos. So exactly the same move, but we just go into crisscross position starting from here. High hip, other leg, other leg, other leg. Yes, like this. And we start in close position because all the bronze we start in cross, and then we disconnect. 1, and now we disconnect. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start in close position because bronze figures we need to start in close positions. Right. Excellent. And now we would like to do a combination using this step. And this is like even pre-bronze level. Okay, so we start maybe with the rhythm bounce. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we do traveling batofogos. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we do in promenade. Walks 1 into the side, but 4, 5,